Xbox is down again. Who would have known? Xbox is down once again. Whoop-de-doo. It's not really down, it's acting weird. Like, for example, parties not working right. Who would have known? Xbox is down once again. That's why it's only 15 people out of 130 of my friends playing. Who would have known? What is this? What in the world? That's weird, okay. That's really weird. Yep, so parties is not working. Oh, no. This is not my gamer tag. Who is KLT Frozen? I don't know, man. Let's see if looking for groups will work. March 20th, 2019, 7:38 p.m. Xbox is acting weird. March 20th, 2020, I mean, yikes. Oh, now it's 25 people that just, yikes, okay. Group post is not working. First things first, to use looking for group, you will need to make a change in privacy settings. Select this message to go there, and others can communicate with voice, text, or invite. Select everybody. That's, my settings are already on everybody, but okay. Now everybody just hopped on for whatever reason. Okay. One more time, Xbox. One more time. One more time, I'm switching to PlayStation. One more time. This service goes down, I'm switching.